Is 31 Atlas an alien probe? Harvard scientists weigh in. A recently discovered interstellar object, comparable in size to Manhattan, has sparked intriguing discussions among scientists, particularly at Harvard, where some researchers propose that it might actually be an alien probe. This assertion raises eyebrows and invites curiosity about the true nature of this celestial body. NASA's discovery of the object, designated 31 Atlas, occurred on July 1st, as it raced through the inner solar system at an astonishing speed of 140,000 miles per hour, as recorded by the Atlas telescope located in Chile. However, the origins of this object remain a mystery, leaving experts puzzled about where it came from. Aki Loeb, a prominent astrophysicist from Harvard, has put forth a compelling theory in a recent paper, suggesting that this object, which is only the third interstellar entity ever identified, could be an intelligently controlled alien spacecraft that is observing Earth, potentially with hostile motives. In the paper, co-authored by Adam Droll and Adam Hibbard, they state, the hypothesis in question is that 31 Atlas is a technological artifact, and furthermore has active intelligence. If this is the case, then two possibilities follow. First, that its intentions are entirely benign, and second, they are malign. This thought-provoking perspective opens the door to a range of possibilities regarding extraterrestrial life. The researchers highlight several unusual characteristics of 31 Atlas that could suggest it is not merely a comet, but rather a directed craft. One particularly perplexing observation is that the object exhibits significant non-gravitational acceleration without any observable cometary outgassing, which is typically expected from such celestial bodies. Loeb notes that 31 Atlas approaches planets like Venus, Mars, and Jupiter with a probability of less than 0.005%, which is quite remarkable. Its low retrograde tilt appears to facilitate its access to our planet with relative ease. This tilt complicates any attempts by humanity to intercept or rendezvous with it, while simultaneously providing 31 Atlas with straightforward access to key target planets within our solar system. Furthermore, Loeb theorizes that this tilt and trajectory could enable the intelligent beings aboard the object to collect astrometric measurements, allowing them to ascertain the orbits and masses of the solar system's planets. This information could be crucial for devising an optimal strategy for approaching our solar system. An additional point of interest is that 31 Atlas is expected to make its closest approach to the Sun on October 29, a day when it will be completely obscured from Earth's view by the Sun itself. This timing adds an air of mystery to the object's journey. The paper also delves into the dark forest hypothesis concerning extraterrestrial life, which posits that other intelligent civilizations might perceive Earthlings as a potential threat that needs to be eliminated. This hypothesis, introduced in the 2008 science fiction novel The Dark Forest by Cixin Liu, serves as a counter-argument to the Fermi paradox, which questions why we have not yet made contact with extraterrestrial intelligences. As we ponder the implications of this research, one must ask, are we truly alone in the universe? Or is there a possibility that we are being observed by advanced beings? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Are interstellar objects proof of alien life? The debate explored. Have you ever wondered if we're alone in the universe? The mystery of interstellar objects might just hold the answer. These cosmic wanderers, drifting between stars, offer us a tantalizing glimpse into the unknown reaches of our galaxy. But here's where it gets controversial. Some scientists believe these objects could be evidence of alien technology. But is that really the case? And this is the part most people miss. These enigmatic travelers could hold the key to understanding how planets form and evolve. As we prepare for a new era of discovery with the Vera Rubin Observatory, the debate over whether interstellar objects are proof of alien life is heating up. Will we find more Oumuamulas or three-eye atlases, or will we discover something entirely new? The Rubin Observatory, perched high in the Chilean desert, is set to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. It's expected to spot up to 100 interstellar objects in the next decade. But what if these objects aren't alien spaceships? Some researchers argue they're simply dark comets, remnants of other star systems. The truth is, we're only just beginning to understand these cosmic wanderers. As we explore the galactic wilderness, Interstellar objects remind us that we're part of a vast, interconnected universe. What do you think? Are interstellar objects evidence of alien life? Or are they simply fascinating cosmic phenomena? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Vera Rubin's serendipitous discovery, capturing 3I Atlas before its official announcement. Imagine stumbling upon a groundbreaking discovery purely by chance. This is the essence of scientific serendipity. Whether it's the legendary tale of Isaac Newton and the falling apple, or the unexpected delight of a melted chocolate bar, many of the most significant breakthroughs in science arise from fortunate accidents, even if some of these stories are embellished over time. A recent paper published on Archive introduces a fascinating new chapter in this narrative. Vera Rubin, a renowned astronomer, inadvertently captured images of the interstellar object 3I Atlas before it was officially identified. This occurred while her telescope was still undergoing its science validation phase, resulting in some of the earliest high-resolution images of the comet that we are likely to see. The paper reveals that during the science validation, this V phase, Rubin's telescope was aimed at the precise region of the sky where 3I Atlas was located. Unbeknownst to the team, they took photographs of this celestial object between June 21st and July 7th, just 10 days prior to its official discovery. Notably, June 21st was also a few days before the telescope publicly shared its initial images on June 23rd. These observations hold significant importance as they represent the earliest high-quality images captured by a powerful telescope. The Rubin Observatory's 8.4-meter Simoia Survey Telescope, combined with its 3.2 gigapixel Legacy Survey of Space and Time, LSST, produced the highest resolution images of the comet available to date. Since these images were taken before the telescope was fully commissioned, the data had to be processed through custom data pipelines instead of the standard automated systems that typically manage the vast amounts of data generated by Rubin each night. In the study, 49 images were analyzed, although some were excluded due to issues such as telescope alignment, interference from other stars, or being out of focus. Out of these, 19 images were specifically captured during deliberate SV operations. The images reveal a comet that behaved largely as anticipated, providing compelling evidence that 3I Atlas is indeed a comet. They showcase cometary characteristics, including a coma of gas and dust enveloping the nucleus. Remarkably, the size of this coma expanded by approximately 58% as the comet drew closer to the sun. Interestingly, the comet exhibited a tail that pointed towards the sun, a phenomenon that can be attributed to anisotropic dust emission. While this behavior has been observed in other comets, it remains relatively uncommon. Several hypotheses are proposed to explain this, including the slow ejection of larger particles that are not as rapidly pushed back by the sun's radiation pressure, or a rotational axis that nearly aligns with its orbital plane. On a less thrilling note, 3I Atlas does not exhibit any signs of non-gravitational acceleration, unlike its predecessor 1I Oumuamua. However, this does not rule out the possibility of such behavior emerging later. 1I Oumuamua's acceleration was first detected during its closest approach to the sun, so astronomers will be closely monitoring 3I Atlas as it nears its perihelion in October. Unfortunately, during this critical time, the object will not be visible from Earth, as it will be obscured by the sun from September through December. Rubin will lose sight of 3I Atlas slightly earlier, on August 22nd, when the comet moves out of the telescope's surveyed area. Between the last image presented in the paper and that date, the authors anticipate capturing at least 100 additional images of the comet, many of which are expected to be of higher quality than the earlier sets, as the telescope operators were initially unaware of the extraordinary and rare object within their field of view. A more detailed follow-up paper is likely to be published soon, although it may not carry the same element of surprise. For those eager to delve deeper into this captivating discovery, here are some resources. C.O. Chandler et al., NSFDOE Vera C. Rubin Observatory, Observation of Interstellar Comet 3I Atlas, C 2025N1, https and archive.org, PDF 250723 out 409. UT, the first pictures from Vera Rubin are here. https://universitytoday.com/articles. The first pictures from Vera Rubin are here. UT, inbound. Astronomers discover third interstellar object. https universitytoday.com/articles/inbound astronomers discover third interstellar object. UT newly discovered interstellar comet is billions of years older than the solar system. https and universitytoday.com/articles/newly discovered interstellar comet is billions of years older than the solar system.